issue that's on everyone's mind is the coronavirus. So let me just say the health department continues to closely monitor the coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19, as we all are carefully monitoring it. And things are constantly evolving, and so we're watching and monitoring things very, very carefully, and we'll make decisions in real time based on the information that we receive. This week, the department opened a call center number, and that number is 832-393-4220, 832-393-4220, to answer Houston's specific questions about transmission, prevention, symptoms, and the number of cases. The city currently has only 2 confirmed cases. Harris County has 5. And with respect to those cases, all are linked to a group of people who took an international cruise. But we are continuing to monitor situations to detect as it relates to any community spread, and then to the extent there is, we will respond accordingly. Let me just ask people to take all necessary precautions in the city and in our region. I decided to restrict all employees' business-related international travel and to limit all domestic travel in cities at this current time, especially in cities where there are confirmed community spread of COVID-19. But all international travel for city employees has been suspended until further notice. Domestic travel is being approved only advisedly, so want to monitor that situation. We are saying to people, for example, who are coming back from international travel to self-quarantine, for the 2 weeks, and to avoid going to nursing homes or senior citizen living facilities, because the most vulnerable, let me put it that way, population has been our seniors, and then especially with people, seniors with underlying medical conditions. And we're saying to them, especially our seniors, to avoid any large crowds, especially when they have underlying conditions. I can't tell employees what to do on their vacation time, personal vacation time, but I will say that if you travel on vacation to an international destination or city with high cases of community spread, I'm asking you to self-quarantine when you return. So I can't tell you what to do on your personal time, but I can only ask that you self-quarantine if you travel internationally or go to areas where there is community spread. I understand, we all understand the anxiety that people are feeling, but I will indicate that my greatest concern is that the fear would do more damage than the virus itself. So we just have to act accordingly, and then make decisions based on the science and the medical advice we're given and the facts themselves. So we're monitoring things not just in the city of Houston and not just in Harris County, and I appreciate my collaboration with Harris County, but we're also monitoring situations in Fort Bend, in Montgomery County, quite frankly, in the entire region. And I have conversations, for example, with the medical center on almost a daily basis, sometimes several times a day, and a meeting planned with pretty much all of the CEOs of the medical center this week. So we are monitoring situations. As you know, Sarah Week was canceled. A couple of other conferences have been rescheduled for the latter part of this year. And then as we get information, we'll take whatever steps we need to take to keep people safe. And I anticipate before the day is over that there will be additional announcements as well before the day is up. I do anticipate there will be additional announcements. Let me say we've already had several CIP meetings already. Last night we were in District J, Councilmember Pollard. Tonight we're scheduled to be in District C with Councilmember Kamen. And then on Thursday we're scheduled to be in District G with Councilmember Travis. And then with respect to the soccer world, Houston was chosen to host the CONCACAF League semifinals. Yeah, that too. And there will be two big international soccer matches the same day. One at BBVA Stadium and the other at NRG Stadium, and that will be on June the 4th. So that's June the 4th. And Honduras and the United States will face off in the first match at BBVA, while Mexico and Costa Rica will play the late match. And I think that's the first time that you would have these two semifinal matches that will be occurring on the same day in the same city. I would simply say this event is another example of why Houston is ready and able to be a host city for the 2026 FIFA World Cup.